Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to convert a text file to Word. Let's go. Right-click on the file you want to convert and select Rename from the list. Type the file name and add .doc in the end. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Open the file. You can also use the outside source. Open a web browser. Paste a link you can find in the description box below. Open the web page. Click on From Computer. Select the file and click on Open. Click on Convert. Wait until it is done. Click on Download. Set the path and save the file. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!